Welcome again, my viewers worldwide. I've been trying to set up my little kitchen, outdoor kitchen, doing some work and packing some stone, you know. Look at this stone. Richie, the man that is doing the stone work. He's not clean off his tool there. You hear thunder in the background. Naturally singing. Please, you can leave your comment on this video about how my kitchen stone wall is looking so far, my viewers. You can hear naturally singing in the background. Remember, people, you can check out my playlist. Them have a lot of playlists. Like reggae music. You have health benefits. You have cooking. You have agriculture, you have nature, you have road trip, a lot of videos me have. About 1,500 videos I have on my channel already. I'm growing. The weather looking good up like right, get rain right now. It's raining in the east. Somebody is watching one of my videos. You can hear it in the background, my viewers. Hear my voice. Welcome to my channel, wherever you are viewing from. Every Jamaican, big up. I always like to big up Americans, them Asian people, them African people, them South and North America, Canada, UK, every Caribbean island. Big up on Jupenil, all the viewers them from Jupenil. Me have 2 people subscribe on Jupenil lately, up at Jupenil in Bagwalk Hills. Big up. Big up Zaki. Big up man like Ferdy and all him daughter them and him son them everyone. Richie. Barbara see Richie at work, look how him a flash on the Martha. Beth, Cathy Lynn. Trying our best. It's not an easy road, my viewers, life. But you know, you have ambition, you just try to improve your life standard, you know. Don't know if I'll ever earn from YouTube. Let's hopefully one day we can earn something. My friend always like big up Miss Birdie, Sonia. I always remember Miss Birdie. The uncle pity so don't have no money, could have send a drink for Miss Birdie. We can buy a drink for Miss Birdie anyway. You know. Miss Birdie 97 and a half.
Yeah, grandmother done she had 96, you know.
Okay.
And in 1996 she did.
All Miss Birdie want is just food and our LK. 1 pack of Pampers there. What you ever buy 10 little Pampers at $1,600. You pick up all even 10,000 out of grocery now, a supermarket, a little bit of you know. You say Jamaica expensive and that's why I see most Jamaican leave, you know, and go all about America, go live because I cost living down a rough. So if you find coal, then rather if you stay in a coal, you know, and work their money. Because don't know really that you have to be skillful to survive in Jamaica if you want to live a good life. So them set the stone, them have viewers, them try if you kind of set the front part, look. See it, you have to know if you set it, so it kind of look uniform. So it's not anybody can just say them a pack arm like the stone. It all just looks so very uneven. So it's a kind of like a skill in it to do it. So thanks everyone for watching. You know, please continue to follow the update on my kitchen, you know, outdoor kitchen. Well, thanks everyone for watching. Please leave your comment, and if you are new, welcome to my channel and welcome every other viewers worldwide. Please give the video a like. One love from Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel in Jamaica.